Slow down. Harder.
What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul. In today's video we're gonna go check out my buddy's Terminator swapped FOXBODY. So let's go. So you guys have met my friend Bill before. He's been on the channel. He installed the two-post hoist. He's just actually on his way up to pick up my trailer, take the locks off and get the anti-sway hitch out, and yeah, just wait for him to show up, and then we'll be on our way. All right, Billy's here. He's just backing up, pulling in. We're gonna set up all the tow stuff and be on the move. So we're ready to go, but I forgot the trailer keys behind, so we've double backed. Just gonna grab the keys and then head out. All right, we got our keys in our hands now. Here's our setup. Double checking everything. We're looking good, nice and level. There's Billy being shy. We good? Now here's Billy's car.
Beautiful though. It looks so good.
Yeah, he's getting some work done to it, so he's left the dash out. Termi swapped. See if I can get the hood open here. Oh yeah, looks nice. Super clean car. Really nice hood. All right, let's get it loaded up. I'll do the hard part.
What do you think? Back in or driving?
Straight in.
Forward in.
Forward in, yeah. Wait on Jesus Christ, that's a piece of that's a damn caster plate. You didn't line it on it, that minus stuff. Okay, slow down. Harder.
Come on, boys. You guys are doing good.
Line them up, Paul.
This way. Push.
Good, ready? Here you go.
Okay, keep going. Keep it straight, Willie.
Turn the
To the left. To
My
the
way.
left. The other way. Other left. Yep. Keep going a little bit more.
Right on the pad, right?
Right there. Right there. Stop.
Woo! Good. Billy, you want this thing on par?
You can put it in gear, yeah. Which reminds me, I should make sure I have the shifter for him too.
We can put it in gear, but it won't go anywhere.
All right, we're all loaded up. Got a bunch of Billy's parts. A lot of parts. Try to tuck them in. They're all heavy boxes, so there's not going to be any shifting here. But yeah, down we go, ready to go. We got to our destination safely. I'm just gonna start unloading and get the car in. There you go. Before.
Push on them because I'm going covers to break the third brake light. Really? Yeah, you push on the cover to shut it, you break the third brake light every time. Ever since I bought this car, you know, I closed this by that way. No.
Okay, we'll see you after.
The same as all the, because it just fills the vacuum line full of fuel. Well, I'm putting my faith in you.
Yeah, big build.
Tires, you see what slicks have gone up to.
Oh yeah.
Actually, Jeff told me about a guy that lives in my complex. He ordered a set of
Here's before. We'll look at after.
2 Mickey T's, and they fucking, I think he said he paid $900 a ton.
All right. So what do you think, Billy? How long is it gonna be?
I'm hoping 3.5 weeks. And I mean, I don't know. It should have a base run, like a base tune from Holly to run. Hopefully, we shall see.
And how much power? How much power you want to make?
You know, I'm going by what he's saying at 465. And with stuff I've read online, of course, with other guys doing similar builds and whatnot, and I get the difference between E85 and like our 93, 94 here in Canada. I'm hoping with the 94 for, I'm going to say 470, 475 at the tire. I'm hoping. I just want a nice little driver for now. If we need to tune up the power later, we'll do that with another supercharger.
I think you're gonna make that power easily.
Yeah.
Car's in good hands. Rick definitely knows what he's doing with the Cobras.
Oh, hands down.
And yeah, it's a badass little build. It's a big build.
Yeah, we'll see how this turns out. I mean, it's a full chassis build too. It's not just a run-of-the-mill, you know, slap some power into a lightweight car and have nothing else built around it, brakes and suspension and all that. We're going all the way.
Yeah. Look forward to getting it done. Thanks, man. 27 years you've had that FOXBODY, right?
27 years I've owned it.
27
last time
years.
I drove it was 99.
99?
Before I bought my house and started my first company. It was 99 the last time I drove that car. I've stored it and moved it around a few times over the years. Just, you know, life gets in the way, a house, business, wife, kid, all that jazz. So
yeah.
Now that stuff's worked its way out, and it's time to move forward and then see if I can enjoy this again.
Right on, man. Thanks, brother. Appreciate it. All right, that's gonna be it for today, guys. We got Billy's car down to the builder, and yeah, he's got a nice little build there. So I'd like to get back to it once it's fully built and do another kind of before and after video. Anyways, don't forget to check out our merch store when you get a chance. If you're interested in supporting the channel, there's our channel memberships. We appreciate you guys. Don't forget to drop in a like, a comment, smash the subscribe button. You guys know we appreciate you watching, and we'll see you again here on Paul DaFox.